Hey everyone, this is Mangai TV and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to manually verify your Google Adsense account. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do support me by clicking the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So, it was last June 2020 when I got approved for YouTube monetization after I reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. And during that time, I suddenly felt like I need to update my AdSense details, especially the address. So, because it's lockdown, I've been staying all the time here in Bulacan, working from home. And seems like it will be so long, so I need the Google PIN code be delivered in Bulacan so I can update that on my account. However, it was last August when I visited my dormitory and found out that there was a PIN code delivered. So when I tried to input the PIN code here on my AdSense account, it says invalid PIN code. It got invalid because I have changed my address when I got monetized. Little did I know that Google AdSense already have this delivered. So it was last August when I requested for a different set of PIN code be delivered on my updated address in Google AdSense. So it says there I need to wait at least 3 to 5 weeks for it to arrive, and it might be delayed because of COVID-19. And 4 weeks after, I haven't received any envelope yet like this. So I attempted to request another duplicate copy of the PIN code. And right now it's already November and I haven't received any. So right now I really need to verify my Google AdSense account, or else YouTube will stop playing ads on my videos, which I really don't like to happen. Like, ayoko. No. So today, we will try the manual verification for Google AdSense. I really don't know if this will work. I really don't know how long this will take. But let's see. Alright? So stay tuned and let's find out. So I have requested another set of PIN code be delivered last October 20. It says here I need to wait 2 to 4 weeks to have it arrive. But yeah, what is the date today? It's November 14 and I haven't received any. So I don't have the 6-digit PIN. I don't have any letter yet received from Google. So right now, let's try to seek help and see if we can do the manual verification. So I'll click help. Alright. So, we have here having problems with your PIN. If you're having issues with address verification, go to the problems with PIN or try our PIN troubleshooter. So this time, let me see problems with PIN. Your PIN hasn't been sent yet. Oh, so we haven't received any for that. We've waited not just weeks but months, and until now we haven't received any. I have done this. I changed the payment address and I've tried to request PIN code 3 times, but until now I haven't received any. So our only choice is to go to PIN troubleshooter. Are your earnings greater than the verification threshold? So I'm more than $10. That's why I'll choose yes. Have you received your PIN? To receive payments for your AdSense account, all publishers have to verify their address by receiving and entering a personal identification number. Have you received your PIN? No. Have you requested 3 replacement PINs? Yes. Alright. If you haven't entered it after 4 months, will stop showing ads on your pages. Please contact us to verify your account. Alright. So for my name, I'll put my name here. So for the AdSense publisher ID, we can find that on the account. And then this is the publisher ID. So we copy this and we paste it. Submit an attachment. So it must be a visible proof of identity to confirm the validity of the postal address. So it should be government issued. It can be accompanied by a bank statement, rent receipt, or telephone bill. So I think since I'm here in the Philippines, the best ID that I can put here is my UMID card or my SSS ID. So that ID has my picture, it has my address, and also my name. Alright, so I have uploaded it and then I'm gonna try submitting. So this has been sent to AdSense support. We'll try to get back to you within 24 hours. So it depends on the volume of messages that they are receiving, and it may take up to 48 hours or longer. So let's see how long this will take. I'm gonna update you. So time is 11:28 a.m. November 14.
A few moments later.
So seems like I think right after submitting the document needed for the manual verification, my Google AdSense is already verified because I'm no longer seeing the tab here wherein I need to verify the address. It's already gone. So I think we're good. And take note, ang bilis niya. It's like minutes. Right after submission, I refreshed it and then it's gone. I hope this video will be able to help those YouTubers like me who are waiting for their Google PIN code to arrive in their home address. So if it's been months and you have attempted to request every 4 weeks, then I think you need to consider the manual verification. So as you see, it only took a minute before it got approved. I just need a valid ID with an address in it. If this video helped you, please do support me by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching and God bless.